how to set a PIN for your Chime virtual card. Now, normally, the specific feature that has already been built in into Chime virtual card purchases, they do not actually have, or you do not need actually to set up a PIN by using a virtual card in Chime. However, there are some specific stores in which if you tap out or hand over your card to the cashier, sometimes they ask for your specific PIN. So what you want to do is there is no instant or immediate option for you to be able to set up your PIN directly from the application nor from the website itself. So just simply scroll all the way down to this part of this page right here, and then just simply dial this specific number 844-244-6363, and then just simply follow the voice prompts, and then just choose on the right ones that is going to be relevant for your query. And from there, you're now able to set up your PIN without any problems. That's it. That is how you set up a PIN on your Chime virtual card.